same scenario. Do we need to bring that down a bit for you, or are you okay? Okay, take it away, Zia.
Hello everyone, I'm Zia Williams. I am a proud student from the Inside Out School of Etiquette public speaking class. During my session, I will assert myself and make everyone effort to overcome the fear and
Intimidation.
and intimidation because I am good enough.
Yes.
And I believe in myself. I will not be intimidated by anyone in the audience because they are no better than I am and no more
Deserving
to be in the room than I am. Therefore, I will shine and deliver my speech with confidence. Now, I believe I have the confidence to deliver a speech with ease while
demonstrating
the protocols learned. I am grateful for the opportunity to develop my public speaking skills. Again, I am Zia Williams. Thank you so much for attention.
Woo! Good job, Zia. Okay, I need some feedback. Yes.
I think that she should give a smile for the audience.
Okay, she smiled quite a bit. Okay, we take that into consideration. Go ahead.
I think that she did amazing, but I think that she needs to look at everywhere more because she kept on looking at the paper and looking at that side.
Okay, now keep in mind, if you have to read, you have to read. So sometimes you're going to be reading and you will not have the opportunity to work the entire room. But always keep it in mind that there's a right and a left and there's a center. Okay? Yes.
I love that she said it loud and proud and she was very confident.
Very confident, right? She was like, drop the mic. Go ahead.
I like the attitude she gave to the words.
The attitude she gave to the words, the tones, the emphasis, and all of that make a difference.
I love her nonverbal communication, but I didn't like how she was so stiff. It is okay to move with your hands.
Yes, it's okay. And with practice, you will be able to move around. Good job. Yes.
What I liked about Zia saying her speech is about that she was bold and she was loud.
Good job. Now keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, I need you to sit properly, Samantha. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that we have to always give each other grace because this is the first time you all are seeing this speech. Also remember that nobody is going to be perfect, okay? Your feedback is important. What we don't want to do is use the word but. When you give someone a compliment, do not follow it but, because it gets rid of everything you said prior to the but. Okay? But just cuts whatever you just said. So you would use the word however. She did great. She did well. However, I think she should add this. You don't want to say but. Okay? All right.